Hey, what's up? It's Ro. Today I'm going to talk to you about a super exciting instant commission program called Content Marketing Pros. Buckle your seatbelts. Hey everybody, it's Ro. I know it's been a while since I made a video, and that's just because there hasn't been any program to really get excited about where people were actually fulfilling their promises, people were getting what they paid for, and the commissions would come in a timely manner. So until I found a program like that, I just couldn't get out here and promote just anything because listen, one thing you don't want to do is create bad karma out there and promote something that doesn't do what it says it's going to do or give you the kind of support that you need or pay you commissions in a timely manner. So that brings me to the topic of today's video. Guys, I've got something really cool. It's an instant commission program. Literally, if somebody sees your offer and takes you up on that offer, that money is in your hand the same day. It's a beautiful thing. If you got credit cards you got to catch up on, you got things for the kids for the summer, this is the perfect program to help you meet those needs right now. So I'm not going to talk a lot. Come with me and I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how it works, and you get a sneak peek at the inside. So check this out. So this is a sneak peek on the inside. There's 3 levels to this. There's a designer level. As you can see, for $100, it's a one-time admin membership fee of $25, and the $100 that it takes to access this goes to the person who referred you, and it'll do the same for you once you own that level, if that makes sense. So there's this is the inside of the back office for the designer level. As you can see, you get in-depth training on graphics. It's going to show you how to do photo editing tips and tricks, easy 3D graphics. It's going to show you how to do your profile pictures for branding in the most effective way, how to do presentations. Now that's going to make you the money in the long run. And it's also giving you this Chat GPT prompt product that has over 400 plus prompts. Now, this is the quality that you get in the back office with this training. There's no private label rights training whatsoever. This is training conducted by this multiple 6-figure earning couple, Steven and Lanacia Rachel, out of Las Vegas. Some mentors and personal friends of mine over the last decade have helped me make all kinds of income, and they've done the same for countless others around the world, guys. So check out this training. Like I said, none of it is PLR. All of it is direct tutelage from a multiple 6-figure earning couple. So they're gonna walk you by the hand and show you how to do eye-popping graphics, one step at a time. Easy to understand lessons. Even if you're an online novice, you're gonna be able to get tons of value from this training. Now, the next level that I want to direct your attention to is the creator level. Now that one's a one-time $250 that goes to the person who referred you, and there's a one-time membership admin fee of $50. Now in this one, you're gonna get all of the training that you just saw in the designer level, plus you're gonna get a content creator boot camp that includes 5 lessons on how to make videos, and then another content creator boot camp that has another 5 lessons in it, video training that shows you how to do incredible things like how to use lighting and audio equipment to really get you the videos that pop and grab attention online, how to shoot videos with your phone, how to do the basic and advanced editing techniques that you need to have to make your videos pop, guys. And it has everything that we just talked about in the designer level. And by the way, anytime someone takes you up on your offer for the designer level or the creator level, if you came in as a creator, you're gonna get credit for those. So I love that about this instant commission program. No bull crap, no terrible training on the inside. This is actually good stuff. I don't mind putting my name on. I'm gonna put my stamp of approval on it because I've learned from this gentleman and his wife over the years, and everything that they've taught me and my wife has helped us make countless thousands online. I mean, this is really going to help you. If you need to generate leads and sales, this is the training that you need to have anyway. But as a bonus, you get to make online income coming straight to your Zelle, your PayPal if you choose, or your Cash App, or you know, if you have Stripe or Square, I use Square to take credit card payments. All those payments come directly to you day of. So I love that, day of. There's no waiting months or weeks down the road to get paid.
And it's been around.
No junk that you don't want to listen to. This is good, precise expert training. Now, the last level that I'm going to talk to you about is the influencer level. This is the best selling level for a reason, because you're going to get all the graphics training that we talked about. You're going to get all the Chat GPT prompt. There's over 400 AI prompts in here to help you take your business to the next level. Also, the Make Videos Bootcamp, Content Creator Bootcamp lessons in here. And we're going to give you a bonus of traffic resources that work. We're going to give you funnels in this particular level. When you get the funnels, ladies and gentlemen, this is crazy. You're going to get the templates, proven templates that have converted for this multi-six-figure earning couple over the last decade. All of the best funnels that they've used that have conversion rates that are gonna blow your mind. I mean, 20, 30, 40, 50% conversion rates from these funnels. You're gonna get all of those templates. So you can change and tweak them to your heart's desire, put your videos on there, put your pictures on there, and you're gonna get all those funnels that you can tailor make to whatever you're promoting right now or whatever you'll be promoting in the future. Now, listen, I told Steve he was crazy to offer that level, anything less than $1,500, but he's letting us grab all of those funnel templates, plus all the other training about how to do pictures and videos and how to become an influencer online, plus all of the funnels. I said $1,500. Are you, listen, $500 gets you access to that training, plus the instant commissions that come to your Cash App, your Zelle, your PayPal, if you choose, or directly to your, you'll take a credit card payment through your Stripe or your Square, which is what I use. Guys, $600 for that. It's a one-time fee. Anytime you offer and someone else takes you up on the influencer level, that's $500 in your pocket that day. And it's a one-time membership or admin fee of $100. After you pay that fee, there's no more monthly fees whatsoever. You can also upgrade from one level to the next. If your budget says, hey, bro, I just got to start at a designer today, or I just got to start at a creator today. And then when my budget allows, I can upgrade to influencer. And here's a tip, ladies and gentlemen. There's going to be more levels coming in the near future. We're talking about a $1,000 level. It's going to have even more training. But here's the thing. We're not going to open up any levels that gives you trash PLR training. That videos that are unwatchable after, the first minute or two, you hear somebody drone on, just showing slides. This training is of the best quality from someone who not just teaches about it, but they live it, right? They live it. They have earned the income. They have taught multiple students about how to do the same, including myself and my wife. So I don't mind putting my name on this. I don't mind putting my stamp of approval on it. I don't mind sharing this with anyone who's wanting to make income online, because this is going to get you there. And the instant commissions, it's just mind blowing. So I'm just excited about this program. I'm excited for what it's going to do for you and your family as well. So listen, there's a link somewhere around this video, below this video, maybe to the sides, or in the bio. If you happen to see this on social media, click that link right now and get started in this, so you can start promoting this and putting the information that's in the back office. And I love an instant commission program that literally shows you how to make money with the program. That's what we have. So I'll see you on the inside, guys. I'm just over the top on this, and this is a number one recommendation from what you need to do in 2023 and beyond to really see some instant money right now in this season, the summer season, and the fall and winter as well, and going in the future. So it's just gonna be great for everyone who takes part. I'll see you on the inside. This is Rose signing off. Like I always say, I'll either see you at the top, from the top, but I hope and I pray I see you way over the top. See you next time.